The Ninja ZX-14R was once the lead in style in terms of top speed and outstanding acceleration, but it is now regularly overtaken by lighter motorcycles. No less than 4 new patent documents reveal that Kawasaki is working on a supercharged 4-cylinder motorcycle as a potential replacement for the Ninja ZX-14R. Many rumors Kawasaki will use a remarkably similar supercharged 4-cylinder engine in its Ultra 300h version of watercraft. Japanese motorcycle magazines claim that the ZX-15R will be equipped with a new generation 1500cc 4-cylinder inline engine equipped with a supercharger and intercooler produced nearly 300 horsepower. Many Kawasaki followers are excited to hear the news about an upcoming 1500cc superbike, and of course hope the Ninja ZX-15R with the 300 horsepower will surpass rival Suzuki Hayabusa. Many people think that Kawasaki will launch a superbike called Ninja 15R Hydrogen instead of Ninja ZX-15R in the near future. Okay, please subscribe to my channel, like and share this video. Thank you and see you.